Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring essentials are ready: child themes, backups, and the right plugin. Create a child theme for each look so core updates won't break customizations. Install a page-level theme switcher or a multi-site management plugin now and activate it. Once done, export a quick settings snapshot and verify file permissions. Make sure to record which theme is for which page. This prevents confusion later when you assign templates and tweak styles. You'll now tie themes to pages. Open the Switcher plugin and map a child theme to the target page, template, or URL pattern. Edit the page and select the assigned template if required. That ensures the proper header, footer, and sidebar load. Adjust CSS scope to avoid global overrides. Use body classes and selective enqueuing. Once you preview, check fonts, widgets, and scripts for conflicts. If mismatches appear, refine the template files and asset dependencies. Finish by validating the live pages and clearing caches, server, plugin, and CDN so users see updates. Walk through interactive elements and forms to confirm functionality. If a style or script conflicts, dequeue the offending asset for that theme only and test again. This isolates problems without breaking other pages. Make sure you have a rollback snapshot ready. If things still go wrong, revert to the backup, reapply changes step by step, and document the fix so you don't repeat the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.